Alright, let's see.
That was pretty smooth, wasn't it? You want this one? The small one? Everything is just a complete mess. But anyways, the important thing from this video that I want to share with you guys is the food thermos. This is 1.2 liters from Primus. We're gonna take the soup, the vegetable soup from yesterday, put all of that in here, and then we have a meal ready to go for our little excursion today. It's a perfect thing to keep your food warm and just quick to eat, so you don't need to spend time on making or preparing food when you're out if you don't have the time. No, I don't have a cooking channel and only do outdoor videos. This is a really great thing even for really big, not successful chefs like myself. Use this. It's a great tip. Oh, yeah, let's go to the woods. As I mentioned before, this is a really nice way to do it when you're out and it's, you know, the weather is like this. It's about 5 degrees outside, everything is wet. You don't want to spend time on cooking and preparing a bunch of stuff. You just want to have everything ready so you can get some hot food in you and then move on with your day. So this is a really good way to do that. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. That was smooth. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed the cleaning. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment if you have any questions, not about cooking because I don't have a clue, and subscribe if you haven't already. There's gonna come more quick tip videos on other things that are gonna look more professional and more successful than this one. See you in the next one. Peace out.